About 200,000 DMG MORI machines are operating around the world. 137 service centers across the globe provide quick support and solutions for customers, even in the event of unexpected trouble. The call center is open 365 days a year, responding to inquiries from customers. You can call us by phone or register and become a member of our portal service, My DMG MORI. As a member, an inquiry gets quick feedback from our service team. It's also possible to share images that accurately show the situation. After sending an inquiry on My DMG MORI, you can easily check when requested parts will be shipped or when a service engineer will visit. With Net Service, one of the Celos applications, our service engineer can remotely access your machine at your request to quickly identify the cause of any problem. Accurately understanding the situation enables a quick solution to the problem. You can use the service camera to take a picture of the problem. This enables our service engineer to check the details remotely. Operators at the call center will then provide the necessary information to help you restore your machine on your own. When you need any parts or a service engineer to visit, arrangements will be promptly made. We will prepare the necessary parts at the parts center and quickly send a service engineer to your site. We are always ready and committed to help you maintain stable production. DMG MORI Academy is a training center where service engineers and application engineers can improve their skills. DMG MORI Academy at the company's Iga campus is equipped with 85 machines for training, including 5-axis control machines made in Europe and Japan. Of the total 85 machines, 42 machines are used by service engineers for their everyday training. They regularly undergo training to improve their skills in order to provide prompt and accurate service for customers. DMG MORI Academy offers online education as well as face-to-face training. E-learning is also available anytime, anywhere. Combined with online education, our training program offers practical, high-quality training. Special classes on industrial robots are also available. Besides improving skills, we prioritize safety education, so our service engineers can safely carry out their work. DMG MORI provides quick and reliable support so that our products can reliably serve you for many years into the future.